I've seen those movies with dogs.
This knife, this is what I used to carve an apple.
Hey everybody, I brought some Frosties.
Hey, you're a man among men.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Happy
looks
time.
great.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Just in time. I was getting a little hungry.
You got a little
Thank
alcohol
you.
in this stuff to mix with this?
Yes.
Holy
Go.
cow. Yeah, nice.
I don't know. It looks pretty close to your bedtime.
What do you mean it's almost my bedtime? I can take and drink this. It's gonna perk me right up.
Oh, come on, Miss Cheryl. He deserves it.
I don't know. It's getting awful late.
Oh, my Kickapoo Joy Juice. I just gotta stir it up and make sure it's up.
Oh, boy.
Slow down. I still think you're eating it too fast. I told you that's what was going to happen.
No, it just can't be happening. Oh, Jesus.
What the heck?
Dale.
Dale, are you all right? Dale,
Hello.
Dale.
I'm gonna go call Tony.
Go to, yeah, call Tony. Dale. Dale.
Are you alright?
I don't know what happened.
Should we get the first aid kit? Let's go get it.
Help is on the way.
It'll be all right, Dale. It'll be all right.
Oh, my.
Fee, you got those smelling salts?
There's nothing in here but vodka.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Well, Fee, we've done all we can.
Hey, you want to get married?
I thought you'd never ask. Let's go. Thank you.